Today we will learn divisibility rules for 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So let's first write the definition on the board. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So let's do few examples to understand the divisibility rules for 4. For example, number 1, 116. So now we need to check whether this number 116 is divisible by 4 or not. So the number formed by the last two digits is 16 because 10's place is 1 and 1's place is 6. So the last two digits is 1 and 6 and the number formed is 16. 16 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 116 is divisible by 4. Let's do another example. Number 2, 2194. So the number formed by the last two digits is 94. See, the numbers of the last two digits is 9 and 4. 9 is in 10's place and 4 is 1's place. So 94. And 94 we know is not divisible by 4. But let's check because in 4 times table we know up to 12. 4 12s are 48. Up to 12 times we know 412. So now let's do the division and check whether 94 is divisible by 4 or not. 94. 4 times 2, 8 minus 9 minus 8, 1, 4 will come down, 14. 4 times 3 is 12. See, we get remainder as 2. So 94 is not exactly divisible by 4. 94 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 2194 is not divisible by 4. So now let's move to another example. Let's take a bigger number. Example number 3. Let's take a 5-digit number. 56724. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. The number is 56,724. So we clearly see that the number formed by the last two digits is 24, which is divisible by 4 because we know 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Therefore, 56,724 is divisible by 4. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.